An equation is given implicitly as x squared minus 2xy plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. We want to find the coordinates of any turning points on this curve. So, let's start by differentiating. We're differentiating with respect to x, so x squared becomes 2x. 2xy is a product, so let u be equal to 2x and v be equal to y. Then du dx is equal to 2 and dv dx is equal to dy dx. So we get v du dx, so that's 2y, plus u dv dx, which is 2x, dy dx. Then the 4x becomes just plus 4, the 16 disappears, so it's equal to 0. So we get 2x minus 2y minus 2x dy dx plus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 2x dy dx. Then dy dx would be equal to 2x minus 2y plus 4 divided by 2x. We can divide everything by 2, so that's x minus y plus 2 over x. For turning points, we require dy dx to be equal to 0. And here that means that x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore y is equal to x plus 2. So any turning points will be on the points of intersection of this line with this curve. So to find the points, we need to solve them simultaneously. And that just means replacing the y in this equation with x plus 2. So we get x squared minus 2x x plus 2 plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. That's x squared minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0, giving us minus x squared plus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore x squared equals 16. So x is plus or minus 4. Now, if x is equal to 4, then y is 4 plus 2, which is 6. If x is equal to negative 4, y is negative 4 add 2, which is negative 2.